Imagine this for a second: you wake up one morning, look in the mirror, and see a completely different version of yourself. Not just physically, but mentally, emotionally, and even spiritually. You've grown stronger, more disciplined, more confident. Your mindset has completely shifted, and you feel like you're in control of your life for the first time in a long time. I'm about to share with you a simple challenge, one that, if you take seriously for just 30 days, will transform your life in ways you never imagined. This isn't some quick fix or some life hack. This is about building real, lasting change from the inside out. But here's the thing: you've got to commit. No shortcuts. No excuses. Just 30 days of focus. And after that, you'll look back and realize you're not the same person you were. So, are you ready? Let's dive in. The challenge is simple: for the next 30 days, commit to improving your life in one key area. This can be anything: your health, your productivity, your mindset, or even your relationships. The goal is not to try to do everything at once, but to dedicate yourself to improving just one area. Now, you might be thinking, why just one area? The answer is simple: trying to tackle everything at once is a recipe for burnout. But focusing on one thing allows you to build momentum and see real results. And when you see those results, you'll be hooked, you'll want to keep going, and that's when the real transformation happens. So, what do you want to work on? First, physical health. Maybe you've been wanting to get in shape, but life always gets in the way. This challenge could be the kickstart you need. Start with just 20 to 30 minutes of exercise a day. It doesn't matter if you're a beginner or if you've been working out for years. What matters is consistency. Whether it's a jog, a home workout, or going to the gym, just show up every day. At the end of 30 days, you'll feel stronger, have more energy, and your body will thank you for it. But more importantly, you'll see what it feels like to keep a promise to yourself. That kind of discipline will carry over into every other part of your life. Second, mindset. You've heard the saying, you are what you think. If your thoughts are constantly negative, self-doubting, or critical, it's time to make a change. For the next 30 days, start each morning with a positive affirmation or a moment of gratitude. Even if it feels cheesy at first, do it anyway. Write down 3 things you're grateful for every single day. You'll be amazed at how this simple habit can change the way you see the world. When you start focusing on the positives, your mind shifts. And with a positive mindset, you become unstoppable. Your mental strength will grow, and suddenly, the challenges you once feared don't seem as big anymore. Third, productivity. Maybe you feel overwhelmed with everything you've got going on: deadlines, responsibilities, tasks piling up. If you want to become more productive, here's the key: start every day with a plan. It's simple, but effective. Every morning, write down 3 to 5 things that absolutely need to get done. Focus on high-priority tasks and knock them out first. That's it. No multitasking. No distractions. Just a simple, focused approach. In 30 days, you'll see how much more you can accomplish by giving your full attention to one task at a time. You'll build the discipline to manage your time better and feel accomplished at the end of each day. Fourth, relationships. Relationships are everything. But many of us neglect them, whether it's family, friends, or romantic partners. If you want to strengthen your relationships, start by giving more of your time and attention. For 30 days, make an effort to genuinely connect with the people you care about. Spend quality time with family and friends. Building stronger relationships doesn't require grand gestures, it just takes consistent, intentional effort. After 30 days, you'll notice how your connections with others are deeper, more fulfilling, and more supportive. The power of 30 days. Now, you might be thinking, why 30 days? Why not 10 or 100? The power of 30 days lies in the fact that it's enough time to form a habit, but short enough that you won't feel overwhelmed. Here's the thing: when you commit to something for 30 days, you're not just taking action in that area of your life, you're teaching yourself something way more important: the power of commitment. You're proving to yourself that you can follow through on a promise. No matter how small or big. That feeling of following through. It's like a muscle. The more you do it, the stronger it gets. And when you see the results of your commitment, whether it's muscle building, increased productivity, or better relationships, you'll feel like a completely different person. And that feeling, it's addicting. You'll want to take on bigger challenges. You'll want to keep growing. But here's the catch, this won't be easy. Some days, you'll want to quit. You'll feel like skipping a workout, ignoring that task, or giving up on your positive thoughts. It's normal. Everyone goes through it. The difference between those who succeed and those who don't. The ones who succeed push through those moments and show up anyway, so I'm going to ask you, are you ready to show up for yourself for 30 days? Are you ready to commit to something that will change your life forever? You have the power to make this choice right now. And the best part, you're not doing this alone. I'm right here with you. We're building something powerful, and I want you to be a part of this community. If you're ready to commit to your growth and transformation, join this journey, and let's make these 30 days count. Hit subscribe now. Drop a comment below with what you're committing to for the next 30 days, and let's support each other through this transformation. Let's make these 30 days the beginning of something powerful, because in just 30 days, you'll look back and realize, you've never been the same.